Hi, today I'll be making crocus, a beautiful tulip-like flower. Material required are crepe papers in green, white, orangish yellow, reddish orange, and mauvish blue or purple. Small thick wire about 6-7 inches long, thin wire, and green tape. Cutout stencils are shown. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is of a petal, 2.5 centimeter by 6.5 centimeter. The stem is 0.75 centimeter. Cut 6 pieces for a petal. This is for the stigma. This is 3.5 centimeter by 1.25. Cut 3 pieces. This is of a stamen, 3.5 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Cut 1 piece. This is of a bract. This is 4 centimeter by 1.25 centimeter. Cut 3 pieces. And this is of the leaf. This is 21 centimeter by 0.75 centimeter, like a blade of grass. Cut 2 pieces of leaf. For the stigma, take the rectangle piece and stretch it on one end like this. Then apply glue on the base and roll this up with your fingers. Like this. Then take the thick wire and hold all the 3, I've made the other 2, hold all the 3 stigma on top of the wire, round it, and tie it with a thin wire. It's not necessary that the top of the stigma should be of the same height. There can be one slightly higher and one below. For the stamen, take the piece and cut about 1 centimeter long and 1 mm wide strips on it. Six strips. And if there's any extra left, you can always cut it off like this. Apply glue on the base. And stick this below the stigma, so covering the wire. Like this. And curl the strips a bit outwards. For the petal, take the petal and stretch it in the center like this and give one little twist on the top edge. This is what it will look like. Now just attach the petals on the stem. The petals of crocus are in whorls of 3. So first attach one petal. The height of the stigma should be about halfway on the petal. So stick it like this. Stick the second petal. Like a triangular kind of position. 3 points of a triangle. And the third petal will come here. stick the other 3 petals on the overlapping line of the 2 previous petals. So this is the one which is here, so we just put it on top. Like this, and stick the other 2 petals. The top of the petal should all be at the same height, and you should have a little pedicel kind of a thing here. Now stick the green tape on the flower. So apply glue right at the base of the petals, not here, not where you are joining it, but slightly below, and then put the green tape on it. Now take the white piece for the bract and stretch just the top portion a bit. Apply glue on it, on the base, and stick this about 3 inches from the base of the flower. So just roll it like this and open it out a bit. Then take a leaf, apply glue on it, on the base, and stick this slightly below the bract and on the opposite side to the bract and protruding above the flower. Now stick it as we did the bract. Just roll it like this. Then take another bract and stick it behind the leaf, sort of supporting it like this, and similarly stick the other leaf. And here is your crocus. If you want, you can open out the leaves a bit, just push them out. Not too much, just a little. And this is your flower.